this is a garlic and coriander naan, and then I've got some leftover homemade pizza sauce and a little bit of vegan cheese there. Excuse the mess, guys. And also I went to M&S and they do white mulled wine, which I've never had before, so I thought we'll give that a quick go as well. Both doing something. What does their main present? Something
No, I didn't do that. You blurred. No, right there.
Yeah, the lighting isn't really conducive to. No, she's not. Quick, block her way. Oh, is the hat off centre too?
I can't
Wait, can I have that in here?
Do you want,
Oh yeah, the
I can't
comparison.
unsee the willy now.
Merry Christmas.
See, I'm sorry, you mid photo.
It's fine, don't worry, I liked it.
If I am,
Oh,
if I'm in that case buying clothes, I don't have to like there. Can I use your knife?
oh yeah, of course.
Thank you very much.
It's all right.
It's nice. What are you doing?
Mine's better.
Bloody seagulls.
Hey guys, so it's Friday the 6th, I think, and I'm currently walking mouse around a field that used to be an amphitheatre, apparently. It's been a bit of a weird week. I think in comparison to the last couple of videos where it's been a little bit more kind of structured because I was on holiday and I was like doing planned things and stuff. Yeah, comparatively, it's been quite, I don't know, bitty. Like, I feel like I haven't really done anything that's sort of worthy of significantly filming. But, I mean, I've had a nice week. I feel like I've done quite a lot. Yeah, today I'm going to be heading to the cafe as per to read some of my uni textbook. I'm just waiting for Ellie to come out of the dentist so we can like walk there together, and then I guess she'll go home and I'll go to the cafe. And then, yeah, I mean, really all I've been doing the past week is working because it's been month end, which for me is quite busy. So I've been doing all of that. And that's definitely not camera worthy, so dull. But yeah, I did film a little bit of Wednesday because I met up with some of my friends and we had dinner, and that was really nice because I saw Jack relatively recently, but I haven't seen Kelly for ages, so it was really nice to see her and catch up and stuff. And then yesterday I met up with one of the girls from netball who's really, really sweet, and we just had a few drinks at the pub, and I didn't really want to film that because I don't know, that's just kind of awkward, isn't it, with someone that you don't know like that well. Even with people I do know well, I feel awkward getting the camera out, you know. So but yeah, that was really, really fun. Had a really good time. And then oh yeah, so it looks like in January I'm gonna be on a netball like actual team like playing matches and stuff, which is kind of hilarious to think about because as of yet I still don't really know the rules. And like even in training when we play games, I get picked up for like footwork and stuff because I just don't know what I'm doing. But you know, I'm very hopeful because this will be the third team of our club. I'm really hoping that we're gonna be like the really chill team that doesn't, you know, no one's gonna put pressure on anyone, and it's gonna be, you know, like the kind of thing where like you play a game, no one does very well, and then everyone goes to the pub afterwards. That's what I'm hoping for. But yeah, we'll see. So I guess this is kind of like going to be the sign off, because anything else I film is going to be for next week, I suppose. Yeah, sorry that it's been a bit lackluster this week, but hopefully I've managed to edit something together. And yeah, have good weekends. See you Friday, I suppose. Yeah, see you later.